Barbary Macaques of Gibraltar. The Barbary Macaques of Gibraltar is the status of a small group of Barbary macaques, Macaca sylvanus, native to Africa living in the Gibraltar region of mainland Europe with a small group of about 300 individuals living here. They are considered to be the wild monkeys of Europe. They are of great significance for the study of this species as well as for ecotourism in the Gibraltar region. The Barbary Macaques of Gibraltar in the United Kingdom are the only representatives of wild monkeys in Europe. Almost all wild monkeys in the world live in 4 regions: South America, Central America, New World monkeys, Asia, and Africa, Old World monkeys. But there's one exception, the wild Barbary macaque, which lives on the island of Gibraltar. DNA analysis shows that this monkey species originated in North Africa. There are only about 300 Barbary macaques left here, and to protect them, local authorities can fine up to $800, nearly VND 17 million, if someone feeds them, to prevent them from becoming dependent on humans. Barbary is a species of tailless monkey first described by scientists in 1758. They are distributed mainly in the Atlas Mountains, North Africa, part of Algeria and Morocco. They are one of the most unique Old World monkeys on Earth. This species is known for its male monkeys who love to take on the task of taking care of the young monkeys. For young Barbary monkeys, playing with each other is also a time for them to exercise their health as well as practice fighting moves. After moments of rest and play, young monkeys also have to learn how to find food to survive. Meanwhile, adult monkeys have the task of finding food. These monkeys are also sometimes noted to be aggressive. There was a rare incident in Gibraltar when a female tourist was stripped and sexually assaulted by a group of monkeys, when a female tourist wearing a bikini came to visit the macaca monkeys in Barbary. A female tourist was attacked by a group of monkeys. Some monkeys started to grab her hair and pull off her bikini top. 2 monkeys grabbed and groped her sensitive area, and one yanked and pulled down her bikini top. The tourists there were curious. When the victim screamed, the manager pulled her away from the monkeys. This is not the first time that monkeys in Gibraltar Barbary have attacked tourists. In October of the previous incident, Stuart Grave Nell, 53, was brutally attacked when he came to see them with his son. While walking through the reserve, a monkey standing high up ran up, grabbed and bit her left arm. Medical staff in Gibraltar said his injuries were the worst they had ever seen. When the victim returned home, doctors said he could lose feeling in his left arm permanently. Police said wild animals cannot be held criminally responsible. In this new environment, unlike Africa, cedar bark is one of the animal's favorite foods. Spring is the time when cedar bark is most nutritious. Minerals, salts, and calcium are abundant in this bark. Although plants are the main food of Barbary monkeys, they can also eat some insects. However, they only occasionally eat animal meat to change their menu. The type of food with high protein and vitamin content that Barbary monkeys love is ant eggs. Not only ant eggs, but also ants, Barbary monkeys like to eat. But they will eat the fatty eggs until they are all gone before eating the ants. Adult male Barbary monkeys always love their young monkeys in the group, even if they are not their own. After birth, each baby monkey usually has a male monkey taking care of it. When it feels there is danger, the baby monkey runs to the member responsible for taking care of it for protection and comfort. The male does not necessarily have to be the baby monkey's father. He takes on the role of taking care of the young member like a nanny. Barbary monkeys usually give birth around late spring, early summer. When the baby monkey is only 3 days old, the mother monkey can choose a male in the group to assign the task of raising the baby monkey. When the baby monkey is born, it receives attention from all members of the group. This animal always considers welcoming a new member a major event. Each male Barbary monkey has a few objects for them to pursue. If everything goes well in the winter, the couple will become friends when spring comes. Taking care of the baby monkeys is always the best opportunity for male monkeys to show affection to female monkeys. This is also the way for them to prove to their partner that they are a very responsible male monkey towards the next generation. During mating season, male monkeys often have conflicts due to competition for mating rights. Males who cannot find a mate often take advantage of mating when the females do not have a mate nearby. Barbary monkeys are quite gentle. They rarely have conflicts. If they do confront each other, their fights are very gentle and do not cause serious injuries to each other like many other animals. Although they are physically superior, males do not have the right to decide on a mate. Female monkeys have full authority in this matter. Barbary monkeys are very promiscuous. They often have sex with many partners at the same time. This means that the sperm content of the males will be continuously depleted. And females scream when they are most fertile, so the males can make the most of their sperm. In addition, the cry also helps the females become more attractive to their mates. During mating, female monkeys scream during sex to help their partners reach orgasm. Scientists at the German Primate Center in Göttingen studied Barbary macaques for 2 years at a nature reserve in Gibraltar to find out the purpose of their calls. Without those screams, male Barbary macaques would probably not ejaculate. The louder their partners screamed, the more excited the monkeys became, with female Barbary macaques ejaculating distinctive, high-pitched screams before, during, and after mating. Female monkeys screamed 86% of the time. When the female monkey screamed loudly, the males ejaculated 59% of the time. When the female monkeys did not scream, the males ejaculated less than 2% of the time. Regarding the screams, it comes from the level of sexual excitement, the number of times the male acts, and the duration of it. When there is a scream, the number of actions also increases. Screaming makes the relationship more frantic.